it's me again, Danielle, your Pampered Chef Consultant. We are on day 4 of my goal to review a new product every single day for 2 weeks. So if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, stop right now, go subscribe to my channel, and watch the videos from day 1, 2, and 3. So today we are going to be making brownies in the brownie pan. Now, it's called the brownie pan, but it can be used for so much more. You can make cookies in it, you can make banana breads in it, you can make mini pizzas, you can make egg casseroles. Seriously, this pan does it all. Oh, we also make s'mores in this. It's really fun. So there's many different ways to use your brownie pan, but today we're gonna be a little bit boring and just choose brownies. I reviewed yesterday the batter press to be used as pancakes or waffles. Well, I wanted to show you today how you can make brownies straight from the box only using the batter press. Pampered Chef designed this so that it could fit an entire cake mix or an entire brownie mix or anything like that that comes from a box, so that it can make your life once again easier, because that's what Pampered Chef does. So let's get started. Yesterday, I made a mistake and I put my powdered ingredients in first. It's recommended that you put the liquid ingredients in first for better mixing and dispensing. It still worked the way I did it, but it is better to use liquid ingredients. So we're gonna do that. Make sure that this is on the bottom so that the brownie batter doesn't leak out. And let's get started. And then you guys, this is my favorite. It's the miniature measuring cup. It's called the mini measure-all cup, but it only holds 4 tablespoons. You really do need the mini measure-all cup. Then we're gonna lock it in place and start mixing. Now that my brownie mix is all mixed, I'm going to take the lid off, hold the plunger down to release air, and now we're going to kind of give it a tap, and then you need to stick this on for dispensing. Again, no mess. Once we're ready to dispense the mix, we're going to push this down because we want to get all the air out. Once the plunger hits the brownie mix, you're going to push down the lid and lock it. Now it is ready to dispense. Remember, when you're dispensing, don't forget to take this off. Then we pick our setting. I'm going to put it on the middle setting for our brownies. If I want them a little bit bigger, I can always change it. And you just pull the handle. The brownie mix will automatically stop when it's reached that desired size. Look how easy this is. This way, they're the same size every single time. Whenever I make cupcakes or brownies individual like this, I always end up making the first ones too big and I run out of the batter by the end. But this will make it so they're the exact same size every time. Okay, seriously, this is so cool. I love this thing! And just like that, you're done. The best part, again, about the batter press is that it's all dishwasher safe. So now you can take it apart and throw the barrel into the dishwasher. We're gonna stick the brownies in the oven and I'll let you know how they turn out. Oh, I want you to notice these amazing oven racks so that you don't burn your wrists anymore on your oven. It's great if you're trying to teach your kids how to cook, or if you're like me and I always burn myself. Then I will set my Pampered Chef timer that I just keep right by the stove. I use this timer because that one on my oven is not loud enough, and I like this one. So I will set it for 20 minutes, and then I'll get back with you. So my convection oven, that ended up only taking 15 minutes. Not bad for a brownie treat because normally we're waiting for an hour. That's why the brownie pan is so awesome, is because it cooks them individually. So now, if you do not have the serving spatula, the mini serving spatula. You definitely are going to want it. They have them in the metal, black, and then this really cute teal. So I'm gonna scoop out a brownie, and then I wanna show you another Pampered Chef tool that makes it even more fun. So I've got my little square brownies. They're really hot. Could have let them cool longer, but I got too excited, and I've got excited kids. Okay, this is the frosting decorating pen. And so I just mixed together some powdered sugar frosting, but it's so fun because then you can make some designs on them, like that, or I could do like my kid's initial so that they know it's theirs. And really you can do whatever you want. I am not like the foodie decorating type, so I bet you can do this a lot better than me, but I just want to show you how easy it is to add frosting to any of your treats. Okay, brownies, brownie pan, batter press, frosting decorating pen. Honestly, I don't know if that's the name for it. If it's not, I will correct it. And the mini serving spatulas. It's all you need to make the best treat ever, and seriously, these are gonna taste so good. People are like, oh, but they're hard and they'll crust along the sides. These are soft. You're definitely going to want these products. So if you want to order anything that you've seen me do today, just click on my direct link and you can order it and have it shipped right to your house. Sorry, I was just cleaning out the brownie in my teeth because I literally just shoved that whole thing in my mouth because it was so good. But another reason why I absolutely love the brownie pan is because no matter how I cut brownies, I've watched all sorts of videos like let it cool, don't let it cool, use this type of knife. They always end up like crumbling or just mushing together when I try to cut them, and they look horrible. But with these, they're all the same size and you take them out and they still look nice. Like, hold on. Honestly, it's easy to just, whoop. Okay, look. They're the same size and they're cut nice, and you actually get a brownie at the end instead of just like a big mush. Like sometimes I feel like I need to just grab a spoon to the pan and just start eating them because brownies are so difficult to cut and still make them look good. So that is another reason why I love the brownie pan.